Hello everyone, it's the 22nd of November 2019. It's a really great day today. For the second day going, I have been able to sleep just 5 or 4 hours in length before getting up and being really like excited about doing work. This is really great time. I got up so early that I had breakfast. My gosh, I had breakfast. Even Bill Gates doesn't have breakfast, okay? I had breakfast. I also washed up and I also did some prayers, and it's just a wonderful productive morning. I'm here at work. If you can see, I'm doing this. It's a lovely day today. This is where I am today at Jaya 1. The thing is, I'm just very excited about life. And afterwards at about 3 p.m. there's gonna be a trading class here in Jaya 1. That's why I'm here at the moment. It's raining outside now. Anyways, let's see. I came to work by Grab, and I hope that if I can be able to sustain this routine every single day, I'll be just fine. Alright, tomorrow is already the weekend. Today's a Friday. This coming weekend, every single weekend, I'll be streaming from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. That is a 12-hour stream, 2 to 4 every single day. I'm gonna be writing, and then I'll be coming to work at about 1 p.m. to about 5 p.m. Then I head to the gym, and then after that I finish at 6. I head back to Subang, where I'm going to go to work. Subang to work from 7:12, then get back home to Twitch every single work day. If I were to be thinking about when I'm supposed to be going to work on Saturdays and Sundays, I'm probably figuring out about 8 to 12, about 4 hours I'll be spending there in work. Right now, the thing is, as a hot desk person in Common Ground, I can only be here from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays. But for work, I can be there anytime, like from Monday to Sunday, 24/7. So in order for me to utilize that place well, I'm going to be spending more time there to work whenever this place is not accessible, that is Common Ground. Saturdays and Sundays, I'm going to spend more time in work. So thing is, everything's great. I don't lose a single penny. I don't waste a single penny. Right? So thank you for watching. This has been a very wonderful day so far, and I hope that you are doing well, that we are all working towards our goals, making our dreams come true. And I pray for you that you will be well and healthy and happy too.